Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a super handy gadget for all the backyard farmers and poultry lovers out there, the Automatic Chicken Coop Door. No more late night trips to let your chickens out or worrying about them staying in at night. This smart little door opens and closes automatically, keeping your flock safe and on schedule. It's battery powered, so you don't need to worry about cords or electricity. Just install it and set the timer. That's right, it comes with a timer function so you can control exactly when your chickens or ducks go out and come back in. And don't worry, it's not just for chickens. This door works great for ducks and other small farm animals too. Plus, it's super easy to install and use. Perfect whether you're a beginner or an experienced farmer. If you want to make your farm life easier, click the link in the description below to buy one now. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, comment your favorite farm animal, and subscribe for more cool tech and farm gadgets.